Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can verify your age on your Google account. Let's get started. So essentially there are two ways you can do this. One, you can use a government ID of yours. All you have to do is upload it and Google will verify it. Two, you can use a up-to-date credit or debit card to go ahead and verify your age. So what you want to do is you want to sign into your Google account. You'll be prompted to verify your age. Once you've done that, you will have two options to whether upload a photo of a valid government ID or to enter your credit card information. Now, both of these options are valid. For the government ID option, you will need to take a picture of your passport or driver's license or your national ID. And in case of your credit card, you will need to upload your credit card information and then Google will go ahead and confirm the card's validity. Now, these are the two ways you can go about this. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.